Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix auto brightness not working on iPad Pro 11 M5. Let's begin. First of all, let's simply head into the settings. Now, inside settings, you want to scroll down a little and you will see a section called Display and Brightness. You want to go here and we have our typical brightness bar, which you can bump up, so now you can see anything, or lower down, so we have this weird glittering effect, at least on our tutorial. And in order to just turn on automatic brightness, you want to make sure that something called True Tone is enabled. And this is especially weird to people who are coming from, for example, Android, and this is not named True Tone, this is just named automatic brightness. And it's just a fancy way of saying that your brightness will now automatically enable and adjust according to your surroundings. And that's literally it. Just make sure that you have this enabled and your brightness levels should be automatically changed. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.